Hello everyone, I will introduce our work, which is accepted by TIP, with the title of Geometric Aware Low-Light Image and Video Enhancement via Depth Guidance. We all know that low-light enhancement is a highly ill-posed task, which means that the information in the low-light data is not sufficient to recover the corresponding normal light ground truth. So some workers have proposed to utilize additional information to help the performance. However, no previous workers have studied the usage of depth information. In this paper, we propose to utilize the depth information to enhance the performance of low-light enhancement, since we think the depth can describe the insight into the physical structure of the things that influence the illumination conditions. This is the overview of our framework. We first indicate that we utilize depth information by fusing the image features with the depth-aware image features. The depth-aware image features are extracted from a depth prediction network, whose input is low-light data. In this way, the features in the encoded part can have some depth knowledge, while it is also extracted from the image, which is easy to fuse. Moreover, we apply the SOTA depth estimation network on the normal light data to get the ground truth of depth estimation, since the low light data and the normal light data is paired in the dataset. Furthermore, we also should note that the fusion is taken place in the encoded parts, and the fusion is conducted at different levels in order to fully insert the depth knowledge into the enhancement network. Also, we can see that our fusion is plug and play, since it can be utilized for all low-light enhancement network with the encoder and decoder parts. We now describe the details of the fusion pipeline. The fusion is conducted by using the close attention, where we use the image feature as the query factor and the depth-aware features as the key and the value parts. In this way, the useful depth features are obeyed according to the input image feature. Moreover, we also combine the self-attention and the close attention to fully utilize both image and depth features. We found that the combination of self-attention and close attention can be conducted via confidence-based fusion. We concave the output of both self-attention and close attention and use a lightweight network as well as a sigmoid function to predict the combination weight for the output of close attention. As for the loss function, we use both normal enhancement loss term as well as a loss term which encourages depth estimation from the low-light data. We now talk about the experiments which show the effectiveness of our proposed strategy. We first conduct experiments on the low-light video enhancement by selecting typical video enhancement method as a baseline and observe the improvements when combined with our method. We can see the improvements on different metrics, including the temporal consistency. Moreover, besides the objective score, we also conduct user study to give subjective score to evaluate the performance of temporal consistency. The results in this table also support the advantage of using our strategy. Moreover, we compute the parameter number and the learning flops and times when combined with our method, and we can see that our method has not caused a large cost. The experiments are also conducted on the low-light image enhancement method. We can see that our method can enhance current low-light image enhancement approaches, as well as their vision with another additional input, like SKF. Those are some visual comparison results, where we can see that the method enhanced with our approach can lead to clear details, more accurate color and illumination, and less noise. Finally, we also conduct a user study via A/B test. We allow the participants to select the one which they think is the better, ours or the baselines. The result shows that our method's results are more preferred, showing the advantage of our method's results in terms of subjective measurement. That's all. Thank you.